How to download and install featherclient for Minecraft Java Edition. First, open your browser. I use Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Open a new tab and search for feathermc.com. Click Download for Windows or Fabric, and the download will start. Wait a few minutes for the download to be completed. When the download is completed, you can close your browser. Open your File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Go to Downloads and double-click on Feather Launcher Setup. Feather will now start installing. In the launcher, click on Guest User at the top to sign into your Minecraft account. You can select what version you want to play. Click Launch Fabric to start Minecraft. You can select between single player and multiplayer. And that's how you download and install featherclient. If you face any problems, let me know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing.